So today I'm going to show you how to do a gold smoky look. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is you're going to prime your eye. I'm using Too Faced eyeshadow insurance. Then I take the FLIRT Cosmetics Sandcastle Whipped eyeshadow. It is an eyeshadow, but I use it as a base because of all the little gold flecks that it has. And I just put that on the ball of the eye. Just like that. Okay, then I'm going to take a blending brush. I'm going to be using the Red Ginger palette, which looks like this, and when you open it, it looks like that. And putting that on my crease, on my upper crease. So right there. I'm going to leave this spot open because I'm going to put the gold there. So just like that. Just sort of blending that. Because in the end we want the eye to look like this. Then I'm going to take a pencil brush and I'm going to take the darkest color that comes with this palette, which is sort of like a dark gray. So I'm just putting that on the crease and I'm doing the V shape. And I'm also going to flick up some of that color, just so that makes my blending a little bit easier. Just like that. Taking a clean blending brush, I'll go and blend that upward. Like that. Okay. Now, I'm going to take the same FLIRT Cosmetics base again. I'm going to pop that on the ball of the eye once more. You could use a brush for this or do it with your finger. And the reason why I do that is so that the gold sticks to it. So I'm using Half Baked by Urban Decay. And I like the consistency of the Urban Decay shadows. They're very like sticky and they go on very smoothly. So I'm just patting that on just like that. See? Taking that blending brush again, dipping it in the light gray and just sort of blending those colors and going upward again. Okay, now I'm going to be taking Vanilla by MAC. Okay, that's my favorite highlight. And I'm going to put that on the brow bone and blend that into the black. Just okay. Now I'm going to take the blending brush and just blend all of that together like that very quickly. And then I'm going to actually take a pencil, a liner pencil. This is Black Swan by MAC. I'm going to line the bottom, the waterline. And I want to extend it out a little bit like that and then tight line. Just a bit. Like that. Then, taking that pencil brush again, taking that little dark color, tapping off the excess, I'm going to drag that on the bottom of my eyes, of the bottom of the lash line, I'm sorry. Just like that. About 3/4 of the way in, because now I'm going to be taking a little brush like this, and the palette comes a very pretty pearl color. I'm popping that in the inner tear duct and bringing that halfway out like that. So just like that. Then I'm going to be curling my eyelashes. once before I actually apply the gel liner. So now taking an angled brush, if I could find mine, and taking your favorite either gel liner or liquid eyeliner. I use both. I'm going to first line with the gel liner using Hip 905 Black, that one, and I'm going to line starting on the outside and then working inward and pulling that color as I go. Okay, so once you apply the false eyelashes, sometimes I have a little bit of white left. All I do is I take my liquid eyeliner and I intensify the black line by just going over it very carefully and extending it out. And that's how I get that bold look at the end. Okay. Then after I do all of that, I fill in my brows. And I use Coffee Bean by E.L.F. to fill in my brows. I'm just using an angled brush. Pick up some of that brown, tap it off, and just sort of, I go in my natural shape. Just like that. Okay, because now I'm going to apply falsies. So any falsies that you use, go ahead and apply. I use the Duo, and I'm using Ardell 119s, I believe. So I'm going to apply false lashes. You can curl them, add mascara, do all that. Then on the bottom, I conceal with a darker concealer than my skin, which mine is Medium Bisque Photogenic by Lancome. Then I set it with Sephora powder and what is this? Porcelain Rose Cool Porcelain, which looks like that. I mean, first I put on foundation, then I set it. Then I'm gonna put on blush, and I'm using Melba, M-E-L-B-A, Melba by MAC, which looks like that. It's a really pretty matte, sort of a peach color. So just like that. Applying that. Like that. Then I'm using Brave by MAC. This is a satin, and the color is like that. So I'm just applying that to my lips. Okay. Then I'm going to be using Sorority Girl by E.L.F, which is a perfect match to this lipstick. So just like that. Okay, so that is the finished look.